Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk More English.
Hi, friends. I am Jake, and this is Sarah.
We are so happy to see you here again today.
Today, we have a really fun topic for you.
Yes, today we talk about hobbies in English,
Hobbies are the things you love doing in your free time.
like reading, cooking, drawing, playing sports, and more.
Everyone has hobbies, and people love talking about them. When you meet someone new, they often ask about your hobbies. So today, we will teach you how to answer perfectly.
Simple words, short sentences, and lots of practice, as always.
Are you ready to talk about your hobbies? Let us go.
First, let us learn how to ask someone about their hobbies.
The most common question is, what are your hobbies?
Simple and direct. What are your hobbies?
You can also ask, what do you do in your free time?
Or, what do you like to do for fun?
For fun means for enjoyment, things that make you happy.
Or, do you have any hobbies? This is very friendly.
These questions are perfect for meeting new people.
Let us practice asking. Repeat after me, please.
What are your hobbies?
What do you do in your free time?
What do you like to do for fun?
Great job. Now you can ask anyone about their hobbies.
Now, let us learn how to answer these questions.
There are 3 great ways to talk about your hobbies.
Number 1, I like. For example, I like reading books.
Number 2, I enjoy. For example, I enjoy cooking new dishes for my family.
Number 3, I love. For example, I love playing football.
Like, enjoy, and love, they all show you are happy doing something.
Love is the strongest. Like is the softest. Enjoy is in the middle.
Notice something important. After like, enjoy, and love, we use the ing form.
I like reading. I enjoy cooking. I love playing. Always add ing.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
I like reading books in the evening.
I enjoy cooking new dishes for my family.
I love playing football with my friends.
Wonderful. You answered perfectly.
Now, let us learn the names of many common hobbies.
Reading. I like reading books, magazines, and articles online.
Cooking. I enjoy cooking different meals at home.
Drawing. I love drawing pictures of animals in nature.
Painting. I enjoy painting with colors on a big canvas.
Photography. I like taking photos of beautiful places.
Gardening. I love gardening. I grow flowers and vegetables.
Swimming. I enjoy swimming in the pool every weekend.
Running. I like running in the park in the morning.
Cycling. I love cycling around the city on my bicycle.
Hiking. I enjoy hiking in the mountains with my friends.
Playing video games. I like playing video games at home.
Watching movies. I enjoy watching movies with my family.
Listening to music. I love listening to music every day.
Learning languages. I enjoy learning new languages online.
That is a lot of hobbies. Which ones do you like?
Let us practice a few. Repeat after me, please.
I like taking photos of beautiful places.
I enjoy swimming in the pool every weekend.
I love listening to music every day.
Excellent! You have so many hobbies to talk about now.
Now let us learn to say how often you do your hobby.
People will ask, how often do you do that?
How often means how many times? Every day? Every week?
You can answer, I do it every day. For example, I read every day.
Or, I do it twice a week. I swim twice a week.
Twice means 2 times. Once means 1 time.
Or, I do it on the weekends. I hike on the weekends.
Or, I do it whenever I have free time, not a fixed schedule.
You can also say, I do not do it very often, maybe once a month.
Or, I try to do it at least 3 times a week.
At least means 3 times or more, minimum 3 times.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
I read every day before I go to bed.
I swim twice a week at the pool near my house.
I go hiking on the weekends when the weather is nice.
Great. Now you can say how often you do your hobbies.
Another good question is, when did you start doing that?
This means how long have you been doing this hobby?
You can answer, I started when I was a child.
Or, I started about 2 years ago. It's still new for me.
Or, I started last year. My friend taught me how to do it.
Or, I've been doing it for a very long time now.
For a long time means many years, maybe 10 or 20 years.
You can also say, I just started last month. I'm a beginner.
A beginner is someone who is new at something, just learning.
Let us practice. Repeat after me, please.
I started painting when I was a child.
I started running about 2 years ago.
I just started learning the guitar last month.
Wonderful. You can talk about your hobby history now.
Let us also learn to explain why you like your hobby.
People might ask, why do you like doing that?
You can say, because it makes me feel relaxed and happy.
Or, because it's fun and I forget about my problems.
Or, because I can do it with my friends and have fun together.
Or, because it's good for my health and my body.
Or, because I learn new things every time I do it.
Because is the key word here. It explains the reason.
Let us practice giving reasons. Repeat after me now.
I like reading because it makes me feel relaxed.
I enjoy running because it's good for my health.
I love cooking because I can try new recipes every week.
Perfect. Now you can explain why you love your hobbies. Sometimes people ask, is there a hobby you want to try?
This means, what new thing would you like to start doing?
You can say, I want to try photography. It looks really fun.
Or, I would like to learn how to play the piano someday.
Or, I have always wanted to try surfing at the beach.
Or, I want to start painting. I think it would be relaxing.
The phrases I want to try and I would like to learn are very useful.
They show you are interested but have not started yet.
Let us practice. Repeat after me, please.
I want to try photography. It looks really fun.
I would like to learn how to play the piano.
I have always wanted to try surfing at the beach.
Great! Now you can talk about future hobbies, too.
Let us hear a full sample conversation now. Listen carefully.
Okay, we are 2 friends meeting at a cafe and talking.
Hey, Sarah, I want to ask you something. What are your hobbies?
Oh, I have a few hobbies. I love painting and cooking.
That is really cool. How often do you paint?
I paint about twice a week, usually on the weekends.
Nice. When did you start painting? Was it a long time ago?
I started when I was 12 years old, so a long time ago.
Wow. And why do you love painting so much?
Because it makes me feel relaxed. I forget about everything else.
I understand that. What about cooking? What do you like to cook?
I love cooking pasta and different vegetable dishes at home.
That sounds delicious. Is there a hobby you want to try?
Yes, I want to try photography. What about you, Jake?
I love playing football, and I enjoy hiking on the weekends.
That is great. How often do you go hiking usually?
About once or twice a month when the weather is good.
We should go hiking together sometime. That would be fun.
That is a great idea, Sarah. Let us do that soon.
Did you hear that conversation? It was natural and easy.
Now, pause the video and try to practice it yourself.
Let us also talk about indoor and outdoor hobbies quickly.
Indoor hobbies are things you do inside your house or a building.
Like reading, cooking, drawing, playing video games, and watching movies.
Outdoor hobbies are things you do outside in nature or the city.
Like hiking, cycling, running, gardening, and playing football.
You can say, I prefer indoor hobbies because I like staying home.
Or, I prefer outdoor hobbies because I love fresh air and nature.
Or, I like both. I read at home and I hike on the weekends.
Let us practice. Repeat after me, please.
I prefer indoor hobbies because I like staying home.
I prefer outdoor hobbies because I love fresh air.
I like both indoor and outdoor hobbies equally.
Perfect! You can describe your hobby preferences now.
Some hobbies you do alone, some hobbies you do with others.
You can say, I usually paint alone. It is my quiet time.
Or, I play football with my friends every Friday evening.
Or, I cook with my family on the weekends together.
Or, I go to a book club and we read the same book every month.
A book club is a group of people who read the same book.
You can also say, I take a class for my hobby.
Like, I take a painting class every Tuesday at the art center.
Or, I go to a swimming class twice a week after work.
Taking a class is a great way to learn a new hobby.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
I play football with my friends every Friday evening.
I cook with my family on the weekends together.
I take a painting class every Tuesday at the art center.
Wonderful. Hobbies are even better with other people.
Let us do a quick vocabulary review together now.
Hobby. Something you enjoy doing in your free time for fun.
Free time. Time when you are not working or studying.
Enjoy. To feel happy when you are doing something you like.
Indoor. Inside a building or your home, not outside.
Outdoor. Outside in nature, the park, or the city streets.
Beginner. Someone who just started learning something new.
Twice a week. 2 times every week. A regular schedule.
Once a month. 1 time every month. Not very often.
Relaxed. Feeling calm, comfortable, and free from stress.
Photography. The hobby of taking photos with a camera.
Gardening. The hobby of growing plants, flowers, and vegetables.
These words will help you talk about hobbies confidently.
Now, here is your practice challenge for today, everyone.
Imagine someone asks you, what are your hobbies?
Tell them about 2 or 3 hobbies you really enjoy.
Say, I like, I enjoy, I love. Use the ing form.
Then say how often you do it. Every day, twice a week.
Then say when you started. I started 2 years ago.
Then explain why you like it. Because it makes me happy.
Can you do all of that? Try it right now, out loud.
Pause the video and speak. Practice makes perfect.
The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
Let us also learn how to recommend a hobby to someone.
Sometimes your friend does not have a hobby yet.
You can say, you should try painting. It is very relaxing.
Or, you should try running. It is great for your health.
Or, have you tried gardening? It is really enjoyable.
You should try is a great phrase for giving suggestions.
You can also say, I think you would enjoy photography.
Or, you might like cycling. It is fun and healthy.
And if someone recommends a hobby to you, you can answer.
You say, that sounds fun. I will give it a try.
Give it a try means to attempt something new for the first time.
Or, that is a great idea. I will start next week.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
You should try painting. It is very relaxing.
That sounds fun. I will give it a try.
I think you would enjoy photography. You should try it.
Now you can recommend hobbies to your friends, too.
Okay, everyone, it is time for our final review today.
Today, we learned how to talk about hobbies in English.
We learned how to ask someone about their hobbies.
We learned how to answer using I like, I enjoy, and I love.
We learned the names of many common hobbies.
We learned how to say how often we do our hobbies.
We learned how to say when we started our hobby.
We learned how to explain why we love our hobbies.
We talked about hobbies we want to try in the future.
And we practiced a full conversation about hobbies together.
You did an incredible job today. We are so proud of you.
Your hobbies make you special. Share them with the world.
Please like this video and subscribe to Talk More English.
Leave a comment and tell us about your favorite hobby.
We love hearing from you. Your comments inspire us every day.
Thank you for watching and learning with us today, everyone.
Keep practicing and keep enjoying your hobbies in English.
See you in the next episode of Talk More English.
Bye-bye, everyone. Have fun with your hobbies. See you soon.
Bye. We believe in you. Keep going. See you next time.